Beauty is pain. Girlies have been raving about this DIY cluster lash. I got this from AliExpress. I'm going to be linking it in my bio, so make sure to check that out. It comes with its own tweezer, also this 2-in-1 bond and seal. I'm applying the bond. So I'm going to be using the 8, 10, 12, and 14. So I'm going to start with 14 from the corners. The application was a little bit tricky at first, but as soon as I got the hang of it, it was smooth right from there on out. So apparently you're supposed to apply the bond, allow it to get tacky, like dry a little bit before you start applying the lashes. Okay, this is what she's looking like. She looks so pretty. Now, this application from start to finish took less than 5 minutes, like if you know what you're doing. This is a quick DIY that you can do if you're rushing to go somewhere. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and use the tweezers to press the forces to my natural lashes so it just sticks better. After completely applying the lash clusters, I went ahead and applied the seal. This helps to seal the lashes, makes it waterproof and smudge proof. Ooh. This helps the lashes to last longer. Okay, this is the finished look. She literally ate. Like, this looks so good. I'm gonna give you guys an update on how these lashes behave and how long it lasted. I'm gonna be linking it in my bio if you want to get yours. I absolutely love the outcome and I'm gonna be doing it again. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.